Hi, Ralph from Benchdogs. So over many years of us having the hinge system, we've had a lot of customers say, well, they've got small space in their garage and they're limited where the hinge system wouldn't work for them simply because they've got a wall here. Now, we did come up with the hinge dogs and lots of people are using those, and you know, they're a great product, but a lot of people still want the luxury of the hinge system where it can be easily lifted up out of the way and then located easy enough. And we've come up with a solution for the problem. So come on over and I'll show you the new setup that I've got. It's a prototype and we are going to start making these, but it'd be an idea for you to have a look and see what we're doing. What I've done is I've just set up a little mock-up table here, just demonstrating with a workstation right against the wall. It doesn't have to be a workstation, it could be your own homemade system, it could be a Festo MFT3, it could be any other system. And as you can tell, the issue here is you can't have the hinge back here to allow you to lift up the track saw. So what we've done is we've reversed it, so your hinge is on this side here, and we've made this plate here. So as you can see, this plate is set up, it's mirror image of our support plate. And what it does actually use is the dog holes. So you can see here, the shaft system here, which is using our grooved adapters. This allows you to then align this with your hinge system here without it going over. And as you can see, the pins here. So as you can see, it still works with our pin slot here, where that pin over on the support plate actually still locates into here. But as you can see, the track doesn't touch the wall. So they're still allowing you to have the hinge system here at your workstation, tracks out of the way, completely clear area for you to work with. What we have actually done as well is to make life easier for you, we've actually made these little clips. So these clips here, to save you adjusting these every time, if you're working with standard sizes like 18mm, 15mm, 12mm, you just fit these clips, clip them in place like so, and then drop your support plate in. And then once again, if you want to change that to a different height, work with 15mm. Your collars still need to be in there because that's working off that 6mm reference there. Once again, just drop that in, and then you can adjust your hinge part as you normally do with the hinge system. And that's it, completely 90 degrees, now works against the wall. Now, one thing to remember is track saws obviously have a certain size. So you've got to bear in mind that when you place your fence in your workstation, you have got the space there for allow your track to actually, also your track saw to cut the media that you're working with. But apart from that, it's a great little addition and solving a problem for people that don't have the space. Thanks for watching.